back to the channel. My name is Lisa. Today, unfortunately, I am opening up the last month of my Postmark'd Studio subscription. It is a monthly subscription, comes in a padded envelope every month. Stationery products. I had previously opened up November and December. I skipped January, and this is February's offering. I didn't open it yet. I was saving it for the video. So let's get started. It's curated stationery products. I've really enjoyed receiving it. I am going to stop for now, but I really do love it, and I'll show you down below what I paid for 3 months. So I'm just going to break the tape. It says words, well wishes, gifts, Postmark'd Studio from a special place. And packaging is always really sweet. And I'm gonna miss this, but I have a lot of stationery right now. I'm making my own stationery. So I think it's time to move on. This is just a little bag. I can tell it's Hershey Kisses. And I will give this to my husband and my son. And then I have a little package. It's tied with a very nice bow. I love how she tied it. And then there is the comment card. I'm just going to slip off the bow because it's just so pretty, and I save all this ribbon for my sewing. Oh, look at this. This is so thoughtful. She put my name there, Lisa, and I can tell these are handmade cards and probably even envelopes. I don't know. It says the world needs more love, Anne. So this is just a really sweet touch that, she put my name there. I'm sure she puts everybody's name there, on the card, whoever subscribes. But, it's very personal, right? So the first thing on top, oh, this is really nice. This is hand stitch on a sewing machine. XOXO. Wow, not hand stitch, excuse me. It's from a sewing, yeah. I'm having problems today. Sewing machine stitched. And my sewing machine has like 150 something stitches. It does have this stitch. This is really a good idea. So it's a blank card. I know who I'm going to send this to, and it comes with a little matching envelope. So that's the first thing. And then we have a postcard. It says paper hugs, paper hug. So that's really sweet. And then a birthday card, hugs, kisses, and birthday wishes. These are from Katie Lehman. They're 100% recyclable paper, and it comes with a matching envelope. It's really pretty. And this is another one, sending hugs and kisses. Very sweet. It's from Paper Wilderness. Also has a matching envelope. I really like that. Wow, there's more. And then some from Steel Petal Press. Is it just a plain card that says hugs? Also with a matching envelope. Really sweet. Then we have our postage, and they're forever stamps with a little heart paper clip. So that's like no excuse. You have the stamps. Mail a card. And that is it. I thought there was something else. Yes. Knew I saw something. Then she included a little stamp of lips. etiquette. Stamp all my envelopes or letters with a pucker. And truthfully, I used to apply lipstick and kiss envelopes all the time when I was mailing letters to certain people. So that's something I actually have done quite a few times. So this is really sweet. She talks about hugs and kisses. I'm not going to read it all, but just read. Hugs and kisses, abbreviated in as XO or XOXO, is an informal term used for expressing sincerity, faith, love, or good friendship at the end of a written letter, email, or text message. That's true. I often put XOXO in my name in many comments to other YouTubers I follow. So yeah. And then she talks about everything that is in here. The bonus is the little Hershey Kisses treats from milk chocolate. And she says, as we enter 2021, I, like many of you, were hoping that we would close a chapter of 2020 and begin anew. Unfortunately, many of us, as well as family and friends, are continuing to struggle with COVID-19. Isolation, job loss, grief, physical and mental illnesses. My wish for you is that you make a little extra time this month and send some good old-fashioned snail mail love to those that might need it most. That unexpected note of kindness and love means so much. XOXO Ann. Yes, I agree. Thank you, Ann. I've truly enjoyed each and every month I've received of your boxes. They are made with love, in my opinion, and I've enjoyed them all. I will leave down in the description box how to subscribe to Ann's monthly stationery package of goodies. And let me know if you subscribe or if you have any comments or questions about this box. Happy to answer them. Take care all. Have a great day, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.